Good morning, children. Today I wanted to take a beautiful poem, which is the meaningful one, which is the moral one, for the especially for the ninth students. That is not just a teacher, but a friend. Not just a teacher, but a friend. This is about the teacher. So we are also teachers. We are working, no, some of them like the teachers and some of them not like the teachers, maybe like that. We have different people will be in the classrooms, but here one boy. So when you are growing, your attitudes also going to be changed. So we the teachers actually should have the patience. We have to identify who are sharp and who are weak, who are meek, and who are so and so. So as a teacher, we should look after all the people. Sometimes we should be close to them, but not close means very close. So we have to be close and make them good. But here, what are the problems of the student? How the teacher act as a friend? Okay, ma? Actually, teacher should have the three D's. That is, one is the determination. What is her duty or his duty, he has to determine. And second one, dedication. So what is the work? We have to dedicate our lives. We have to give the justice to our work. That is the dedication. And third one, discipline. What we are doing, what the teacher is doing the work, it should be discipline, should be planned one, not to leave anything. So that is the dedication we have. For example, moral is there, one proverb is there, work is worship. So we have to worship our work. What is the work? We entrusted by the head of the department. We have to obey. We have to worship. That is the we have to fulfill the work, not for anyone. So God is going to see. God will give the reward. For that we have to fight. But here, how is the teacher and student? Is there what is the relationship between the teacher and student? We are going to know. So this is purposely for the ninth student. Now you are sixth, from LKG to now you are maybe in ninth class. So one of LKG, UKG, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. You grown up. So your attitude is also going to be increased. Sometimes you are getting the confusion, what we have to do, what we not to do. So whoever told, you are not going to listen. Sometimes you are giving the importance to the teacher. What the teacher says, you are listening. But most probably all the teachers will give the good decisions only, no, good advice only. So some people will be liking and some people won't be liking. But what is the poem we are going to see? I had no way to run, had no way to go. This is just something I think you need to know. You need to know. You means a teacher. That boy was where he has to go. He does not know. Maybe the boy was in a confused manner. But maybe he didn't obey the parents, I think. So maybe this boy liked the teacher very much, I think. Here, I have no way to go, no way to turn. This is just something I think you need to know. Teacher, you have to know what is my problem. You only solve my problem, that is understood. Why? Because the boy had a trust. The boy had belief on teacher. Maybe the teacher is like the boy very much. I think there is a strong relationship between the teacher and that boy. And third line, I don't know what made me trust you. I don't know why I like you, teacher. Trust, believe. Why I'm believing you? So students like the teacher. That means teacher should act as a teacher and guide and friend. That's a very, very important one. Like a friend. Who are in weak, we have to console them. Who are in weak in study, we have to make them up. Then they never forget. they never forget their help. Okay, ma. So here, I don't know what made me I trust you. The fourth one, I still remember the day when I told you what I've been through, what I told. First line, where I have to go, where I have to turn. Already the boy told all these problems to teacher. Then I don't know why I'm believing you. But then you really brought me out through my soul. Oh, teacher, you brought me. You brought me in a good way. When I was in a confused way, you told me, you made me, you consoled me like a friend. So what a great one, no? Actually, teachers should have that type of the mentality. We should not hurt to anyone. While you're beating, the mark will be gone. The mark will be go. But when you hurt to anyone, that heart should be poison one. Whenever we see the teacher, they won't like, oh, they'll be going like this. But here the teacher, the boy saying, really, you brought me out my true soul. Then second line. As each day grew longer, every day the day is longer. When the day is going to be longer, what happened here? Our trust became stronger. Our trust became stronger. That means after going home also the boy wanted to see the teacher. Why? Because that much of the relationship he had with the teacher. So the friendship also becoming very stronger and stronger. Each time I wanted to cry. The boy wanted to cry. When the friendship became stronger, the boy wanted to cry. That is not the pain, that is the happiness. Because the teacher brought the boy out of the true soul. That's what he wanted to say, thanks to the teacher. Because the teacher is not acting as a teacher, the teacher acting as a friend. That's what he wanted to cry. You stayed there right by my side. Always you are by my side. Why? Because the boy was in the confused one. The boy was in out of mood. So he was consoling. He was telling, this is the good way. You be like this. I also came from the like that only. Like the teacher was telling to the boy. That's what the boy liked the teacher very much. He was thinking teacher always by his side. When the teacher was there, he will get the good strength. That's what he was saying. You are by my side. The third one. Then I moved to the next grade. Next class. When you are, for example, you were last year in 8th class. You liked one teacher. So when you go to the 9th class, when you have the doubt, you will come and ask that teacher. Why? Because you have a belief on the teacher. That teacher made me like this. I wanted to go there only. Like that you are saying. Like that this boy also. When he changed another grade, another class, he never forgotten what help he got from the teacher. So then I moved to the next grade. Boy, was I afraid that our trust would slowly fade. So when you go another class, your automatic the friendship going to be fade. Fade means going to be move the another way. So move slowly. But I was wrong. We are still strong. No, I was wrong. I won't think like that. My teacher is teacher only. My teacher means a friend only. That friendship is going to be very strong one. Whenever you go in the higher studies also, you never forget what help you got from the teacher. When you meet the teacher, what you say, teacher really helped me a lot. When now I am in this position means, especially for you only, for your sake only, I became like this. They will be saying like that. They never forgot that help. They will be thankful to the teacher. Then, even though sometimes you don't have time, maybe some teachers are busy with the correction and teaching or something, preparing the notes. No, even though you have no time, you at least ask me if I am fine. Teacher, if you have no time, please you come and talk to me. You ask me, are you fine? What a great friendship, no ma. See how he was asking. Though he was in the next class, Teacher, if you have no time, at least you ask me, how am I? Are you fine? You ask me. Then, even though sometimes I am not, I feel like I have just been shot. I smile and say, yes, I am alright. When I am not well, I wanted to say I'm alright. Why? Because the teacher brought me in that way. I should not feel anything. I should not afraid. I should not get any confusion because the teacher given that what will say the type of the proper way he showed. So when I was in wrong, no, I was in wrong. I was strong. When I was inside, no, I was not inside. I was happy. Then like that, he himself was going to console. But a great, no? So I smile and say, yes, I am all right. Then I will walk away and you are out of sight. When you are out of sight, that means certain teacher may be applying the leave. When you are out of sight, I will just have to wait. I still have my faith. Oh, if you won't stand there, I feel I will be waiting for you. See how nice. So that means here the boy giving the importance to the only teacher. That means teacher acting as a friend. So most probably students won't, good students or bad, whoever may be, the students will share their problems to the friend. Like this boy also sharing all the problems to the teacher. The teacher also consoling. He was giving the good guidance. The teacher acting as a friend, the teacher acting as a guide, the teacher acting as a friend, and the teacher acting as a teacher, the teacher acting as a father and mother also. These are the qualities of the teacher. A good teacher should have the patience. The good teacher should give the justice. The good teacher should console the students, whoever may be rich, maybe poor, maybe weak, maybe dull, whoever. Equal treatment should be needed. Then only all the students like the teacher very much. So when we enter the class, we have to be smiling face. While we smile, all people will be happy. When we are in rude, while you are entering the class, they will be dull. They won't talk to anything. They won't listen anything because our faces will be giving that type of the impression. So every teacher should need all these qualities. The last one, I am so glad. The boy was not saying I am so bad, I am so dull. Why? Because from the beginning, teacher given good treatment. Teacher consoled the boy. When he was in confused way, he given the good direction as a guide. I am so glad that you were there when I was sad. When I was sad, who were there? Not mother, not father. Who were there? Only friend of the teacher. You were there. When I was sad, you stand by my side. And this is what makes you, last line, that makes you not just my ninth grade teacher, my friend. Ninth grade teacher, my friend. So my dear student, but who are the students of the ninth class, maybe you are also got in the confused way. What I will do, what you want. So you have to consult the teacher. What is your problem? You tell to the teacher. You get the good direction from the teacher. Most probably, all children should be good. When you are in good, teachers also good. So actually, teacher should act as a friend. Then only students will come very near and share their problem and get the good direction from you. So okay. Have you understood, ma? What is the true friendship of the student and the teacher? So you be like this. You clarify all your doubts in proper manner. Purposely don't ask. If you won't understand only, you ask whatever you get the doubt. You have to clarify. You have to share your problem with your teacher. Okay? Have you understood this lesson, ma? Okay. By write the meanings in the classwork. Okay? All of you write meanings directly in the classwork. Okay, bye.